Imagine, play, create, and grow. ChildEduKids Work.
Dad's Garden of Patience, Kids Moral Story at ChildEduKids Work. A sunny backyard garden with rows of freshly planted seeds.
Dad, when will the flowers grow? I want to see them now.
Flowers take time, Mia. Just like when we bake a cake, we have to wait for it to be ready.
But what if we water them a lot? Will they grow faster?
Watering is important, Sam, but patience is the key. Plants need time to grow strong and healthy. We can help them by giving them water, sunlight, and care every day.
But Dad, waiting is hard.
I know, Mia. But think of how beautiful the flowers will be when they finally bloom. Patience is a good habit that helps us enjoy the rewards even more.
So, if we take care of the plants and wait, we'll have a beautiful garden soon.
Exactly, Sam. Good things come to those who wait and care.
Okay, I'll wait and watch them grow every day.
Moral of the story is patience is a good habit that helps us appreciate the beauty in life's little moments. Dad's Garden of Patience, Kids Moral Story at ChildEduKids Work.
Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Imagine, play, create, and grow. ChildEduKids Work.